If you're wondering how to assign team members to tasks in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how to streamline your project management and boost your team's productivity in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. To assign team members to tasks in Monday.com, the first thing you need to do is open your board where the tasks are listed. You'll notice each task is represented by a row. Once you're on the board, locate the People column. That's where you'll be assigning team members. You can simply click the cell under this column next to the task you want to assign and select the person from the drop-down menu. Next thing you need to know is how flexible the system is. You can assign multiple people to a task, which is helpful if your team needs to collaborate on the same project. Just click on the cell, and you'll see an option to add more team members. The best part is that it will notify everyone you assign in real time, so they're always in the loop. Now, let's talk about how to make it easier for your team to track their tasks. In addition to assigning tasks, you can color code them or use labels to categorize them by priority, status, or any custom criteria you set. This way, team members aren't just assigned tasks. They can quickly identify what's urgent or what needs attention. The fourth thing to consider is setting up automation. Monday.com allows you to create automation rules, like sending reminders when a task is assigned or when a task is nearing its deadline. This feature is key to ensuring tasks stay on track and no one forgets their responsibilities. Moving on, let's quickly talk about how you can track progress. Monday.com has an easy-to-use progress tracker column where you can update the status of tasks as you go along. This is crucial for giving your team visibility on where things stand and if any tasks need to be reassigned or reprioritized. But here's the thing, Monday.com is not without its drawbacks. While it's powerful, its interface can feel overwhelming to new users, especially with so many customization options. The learning curve can be steep for those who just want a simple task management system. Next, let's talk about alternatives. Monday.com is great, but if you want something that's easier to use and more intuitive, you might want to check out some other project management tools. There are alternatives that are not only simpler, but also come with robust features like easy task assignment and real-time notifications without the complexity. By the way, I've added a link in the description for an exclusive, extended free trial to Monday.com, but I'll also mention some alternatives that might be a better fit for your team. These alternatives also offer free trials, and you can check them out and decide which one is the best for your team's needs. Through the link in the description, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. You can start with Monday.com, but be sure to check out the alternatives to see which works best for the way your team operates.